Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this session, I'm going to tell you about the free Java certification course which is provided by the Infosys. Infosys has a platform called as the SpringBoard where they have hosted many courses. Java is one of them. So Infosys is one of the biggest IT company in India and we can do a certification course for Java using the Infosys SpringBoard platform. So let's get started on how we can do a free certification course for Java. On a screen you can see I have opened a Infosys SpringBoard platform and we have a course called as a Java concept. So about this course is a 7 hours and 34 minutes. This is for beginner level. So if you don't know anything about Java, you can just go ahead with this course. This course is free. It is globally available and the language which is used in this course is English. So this will be Java and software development. J2SE is used for developing standalone application and programs development. J2EE is used for developing client-server application programs and development. And J2ME is used for developing mobile application programs and development. So we have some basics of Java, which is J2SE, J2EE and J2ME. So you should know about this before starting the Java. If I go down, you can see we have a completion certificate. So you will earn a free completion certificate once you complete this course, and you will also get to know what is your learning progress. If I go down, what is the overview, J2SE, J2EE, J2ME, Java source code file. So there are some details which are available for the Java. And if we check the modules, first we have an introduction to the Java. Second, we have history, features of Java program execution on how Java got started. Then we have a Java program execution. We will get to know about the JVM, that is Java virtual machine. Then how you can set up a Java in your PC, personal computer. After that, we have a start programming core Java. Then it will start a core Java concept. So we will be using a Eclipse introduction. So Eclipse is nothing but the IDE which is used for Java development. And after that we have installing Eclipse, my first programming Java, understanding Eclipse more. So this course totally provides a Java coding in a Eclipse. That is the reason they have provided a introduction of a Eclipse. After that we have a data types, then we have a Java variables, scope, examples. After that we have operators and control statements. Then we have a programming core Java. So Java for loops, break statement and continuous statement, characteristics of OOPs. OOPs are nothing but the object-oriented programming. Then we have a Java class example, constructor example, and inheritance. So these are the basics which are already covered for OOPs as well as a Java core language. Then we have a methods and string handling. Method Eclipse example continues, method overloading demo. Then we have examples of OOPs concepts. Then we have a string comparison. After that we have a Java conclusion video. And once you do the complete modules, then after that you have to give an assessment to get your free certificate. So this is how you can do a Infosys SpringBoard Java course which is available for free and you can earn a completion certificate. So this is all about the course, and if you want to do some other courses also, they are also available for the Java. So you can just go and check on a Infosys SpringBoard platform. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can just like the video, share our video and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in a comment section. See you in the next video.